Hi, I'm Tiffy, Ringer Light Crafts. Today, assuming our computer continue to work, although it's been giving me issues earlier, we are going to make little Easter rabbits for Easter. You can put them in your basket, give them as a gift, whatever you wish, or keep them for yourself. They're awful cute. Okay, with this one, I call him my big ear Easter rabbit, and this is why. I just love this. Okay, now, the point of this is to simply have fun. There's absolutely no reason not to have fun with it. Today, and look, you can stick soap or candy egg or whatever you want in there. But just to let you know, they're all small pots. So please remember to watch little wee ones with these because you don't want them to get hurt. They're awful small pieces on some of them, okay? And today what we will need, let me toss my rabbit aside, is a wool cloth of any color. And I'm using orange because one of my favorite colors. And then ribbon of whatever you want to match or not match, your choice. But I have a little longer ribbon, just so you know. But I'm going to fold mine in half. I know it's a wasteful, but it's the only ribbon I got right now. And I promised to do this before Easter. So I need to get it done. Got to keep your promises. So I'm going to fold it in half. And I got little owls on orange to match my little rabbit. Okay, and then you need your egg if you want to stick something inside of it. The little opening here. Oops, can you see that? You don't have to, but you can. I have made several and given several out for gifts without an egg in them. And then you need your little googly eyes. Oops, there we go. Little googly eyes. I already got mine pulled out. A little flower, just to give it some character. A rubber band or two. I get two just in case one breaks because I am a klutz. And, oh yeah, can't forget the most important part. Well, I just thought, oh, there it is. A hot glue gun and a glue stick. Just in case you run out of what's in your glue gun. That's why you're ready to go. Now, let me back this up. You start by taking your rag and folding it straight. I dropped it on the floor, so it's a little dirty, but that's okay. This one's mine. And you put it at an angle, okay? You don't want it this way. You actually want it at an angle. So when you lay it down, it's at an angle. I don't know if you can see this. And then you go to the corner as tight as you can. You just keep on rolling. And I have no damage in my hands, so bear with me. You just roll them all the way up to half point. So I know this isn't perfect, but like I said, my hands are not liking me today. Okay, and then you switch it. Try not to lose what you just done like I just did. And then you do the other end, the other corner, and you fold that to the half point. So let's get that rolling here. Reminds me of a little roly-poly. Funny when you got little kids or even grown kids. That's what it means. They remember little polies, roly-polies. And then you make them meet, okay? I use my finger because I tend to lose them. And this is not perfect. And that kind of irritates me. But like I said, it's mine. And I don't want to keep you guys too long because it's family time, Easter vacation here. So anyways, you meet up in the middle. And then you try to keep it together. Fold them to meet the ears. And then you kind of got this little shape here going on, okay? Mine is a little messed up here. Don't like when that happens. Anyways, you fold them. Then you come up where the ears will be. And you put your hand where they are. And then you kind of fold it back. Oops. Fold it back. Okay, it's not going to work. I'm sorry, guys. Sometimes if you make a mistake, simply start over. It really is okay to undo something you've done and start again. There's no reason why you cannot. All those dogs. Neighbors. Don't get me wrong, I love the dogs. They're awesome. Okay, and then I want to do the other side. I want to try to do it better than I did last time. My hands don't like me, but that's all right. And then we're going to roll them to meet. Center it. This time I'll keep hold. Flip it over. Have them meet. Now I got a tighter body here. So I'm going to go about here and fold and just kind of gather it. I can pull my finger out. And it's still not perfect. It's my hands, guys. Nothing I can do about that. Then you put your rubber band on the length you want your face to be. And I'm going to try to do it 3. I probably will break the rubber band. Oh, how about that? I did it. Okay, and here's your body. It's that simple. Here's your body. Here's your big little ears. Untwist your ears so they kind of meet up. And I do put a little glue on mine for the simple reason I want them to stay a certain way. I really don't want them to flop too bad. And this is my big ear bunny. Yeah, they're not as big as I like them, but it's okay. Nothing is supposed to be perfect. Everything has flaws. That's the whole point of making them, because they're fun. You make them with your kids. These are really cool to make with your children. Then your next thing I would do, I'm going to go ahead. I want another egg in this one. I am going to put my egg in before I do anything else. Assuming I didn't make it too small, and I may have. Get in there. Come on. It can go sideways, straight ways. There you go. That's exactly what I wanted right there. And then we turn it here. There's your big ear bunny. Now, I hope it looks right to you guys, because I can't really tell. Here's the, now, there's the ears. So here's the front. This is my face. Now, my next step I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go ahead and put on my ribbon. And I'm going to do my ribbon next because, let me turn this. I just want to make sure my head is secure. And in my opinion, it's easier because I want to adjust my ears. So I am going to flip my rabbit. And I fold my ribbon in half, because I just want the head to show. And then I'm going to go ahead and put a little tad of glue right there. Keep that closed. And I'm going to put a little bit of glue on the rabbit itself. Get rid of my gun here. Place my little ribbon down. Now I actually want the ribbon to hide my rubber band. I don't want my rubber band to show at all if I am able to help that. And so I'm just going to pull it snug around my rabbit head here, hiding my rubber band. Yay, I did it. And I'm going to go ahead. Oh, don't forget the scissors. I don't know if I mentioned scissors. Anyways, cut it off as close as you want to do it. And then, whoops, take your glue gun again. Put a little dab of glue right on the bottom. Probably a little too big, but that's all right. And push it, hold it down for a few seconds so it sticks. Okay. And if you're doing it with children, I'm sure moms and dads know, especially with crafts, they've been doing it probably all their lives. The hot glue gun can give you really bad burns. So just watch them with the glue gun and have fun. Enjoy your time with them. They grow too fast. Okay, now my ears, because I want my ears kind of stand, I'm just going to twist them to the way that I want them to be. And then if there's something about them that I really don't like, and I'm at this point, there's nothing wrong with taking it apart and doing it again. But I already glued some things on it, so I'm just going to try to twist them and make them work the way I want them. Now, this part here, I am going to glue it down. Let me show you a secret. I am going to put a tiny bit of glue, and I'm going to glue that piece down because it's bothering me. I don't want it to stand up. I want the ears to show more than I want that to show. So, and then I'm going to re-rotate my ears the way I want them. I like my big ear bunnies. I just think they're so adorable. Then I'm going to go ahead and here's the secret. This is why you want this. That little imperfect. Take your little flower. Don't know if you can see it. Your little flower, any type of flower you want. Or eggs is Easter. Put little eggs on it, little tiny ones. Whatever you want to do, make it your own special bunny. And then I'm going to add a little bit of glue to my little flower here. And right where I made that mistake, well, I shouldn't call it mistake. I just didn't like how it turned out. So I'm going to add my little flower there. Now, unless I told you it was a mistake, like I have been, you'll never ever know that I made it. And better yet, you'll never even know that it's there because I simply didn't like that little area. I'm going to cover it up with my little flower there. Don't he look so cute already? And don't even have eyeballs yet. Oh, I did forget one crucial thing. Oh no, I can't believe I've done that. On both rabbits, actually, pull him back over here. Because if I can find them fast enough, I will fix that arrow. I forgot the bunny tails. I cannot believe, whoops, excuse me, I dropped the tail and my dog, I have to call that thing a dog, will come and eat that and I want it. It's not even my dog. So anyways, I forgot my tails. They're crucial. At least to me, I think it just gives them that perfect little detail. You can find them at the Dollar Tree. A bag, I want to say they're about either 50 or 100 of them. I honestly don't recall, but I know it was the Dollar Tree I purchased them at. Enjoy them. All shapes, sizes, kinds. I mean, they're just cute as can be. Fuzzy, not fuzzy. Can't beat it for $1. And I do not want these clothes. So I'm going to get the bigger, medium size, I guess you call them. Tail. Let's come back here, tail. I'm going to add a little bit of glue. I'm going to kind of push it in on this one just to make it stay. I'm going to go ahead and place my little bunny tail right there. I can't believe I forgot the bunny tail. That's why I like them so much. There's a little bunny tail. Isn't that like adorable? You got your little egg. Remember, you do not have to have the egg in there. I wish I had it the other way to show you, but it would just say a little flatter. You don't have to have the egg. And then, you know, you got your little bunny started. Let's go ahead and do this tail. Sorry, guys. We'll get this tail done here real fast. And I'll set him aside. Keep calling it a him. I think it's a her. Okay. Make that little tail stay there. So now we got the little fluffy tail. So if you can see that, you got your tail, your little egg, and then we flop it around. Here's your little eyes and everything on this little bunny here. Okay, I am going to set this aside. All right, now, our last step, in my opinion, it doesn't have to be your last step. You can do as you wish with it. You can add anything to it. Make it your own design. That's the wrong size eyeball. It's this one. Next will be my eyes. And I'm actually going to place them kind of on the side. Just put a little glue there and push it down. It won't hurt to hold it a few seconds. It's not hopefully going to go anywhere. And if you leave your fingerprints like I did, just wipe it off if you want. Then I would take my last eye here. Add my glue. And I'm going to go ahead and place it on the other side. Oops. Oh well, his eyes ain't perfect either, but I don't care. They're just for fun. Now, if I was selling it or a gift, I would make sure that it is absolutely perfect, just because that's my personality. But sometimes something perfect doesn't necessarily mean it's perfect to somebody else. So I just make sure as well I enjoy it and it was fun to do. So here's our little bunny. It did not take very long at all. You can probably make, I don't know, 5, 10 of these in no time at all for all the little grandbabies. Well, not the little ones, remember, small pots. And just put it inside the Easter basket. And then they have their own special little Easter bunny that grandma or mom or dad or grandpa made them. And these are all big ears Easter bunny. They're simple, fun, and inexpensive to make. The rags, 4-pack at Walmart for $1. The eyes, I want to say it was a 50-pack at the Dollar Tree for $1. Tail, 50 in a pack for $1. So, and the little things, flowers, You can probably find these at Walmart. I don't know how much because I actually won these in a little auction. And the ribbon, once again, Walmart. I do believe I actually got this on clearance and paid like 50 cents for it. So anyways, here's our big ear Easter bunnies. They're floppy ears. Make them any color you want. Pink, yellow, purple. Doesn't matter. Make them black. My one kid would appreciate that. That's her nickname. Anyways, actually she's my great niece. But they're cute. They're a lot of fun. The kids have fun. And, well, enjoy making them. Happy Easter and God bless. Talk to you all soon. Take care. Bye.